It is 2025. There is no reason why you should not be making money, period. Whether that's online or whether that's physically. Money should come to you easily. It's 2025. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Katera. If you're coming back, hey honey, how you doing? How have you been? Let's just talk about 7 business ideas that you can start. Yes, I'm talking about you in 2025. Enough for the fluff. Let's just get right into it. But before I get into it, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Share this with a friend because you know I'm gonna give the tips and the gems. And if you don't know, now you know. You're about to find out. I don't know why I'm in such a playful mood right now. But yeah. So the first one, you guys knew I was gonna say this one. Digital products. If you don't want to have any inventory, if you want something that's low startup cost, if you want something that you can just really create something in Canva and resell it as many times as you want to, then you definitely need to be looking into digital products. Now, if you don't know what digital products are anything that you can sell digitally, such as courses, ebooks, planners, video recordings, voice recordings, anything, documents full of information. Now, don't just tell people BS. Don't do that. But if it is valuable and it is teaching someone how to do something, you can even sell people access to a Google Drive. Digital products is the best business, y'all. And I'm going to tell anyone, I'm going to shout it to the top of the rooftops. If you are not selling digital products, you need to start. Easiest side hustle, lowest startup cost. And if you want to learn how to get started with this, I have resources in my description. This is a business that I run. I'm never stopping. I'm just leave it there. I'm never going to stop. As long as we have the internet, I will be selling digital products. Now, the next one is coaching and consulting. Now, this is another one that I tap into a little bit because I do coach and help people with their marketing and learn how to create their own products based off their own niche and expertise. And honestly, I'm so glad I tapped into this because I didn't get my college degree for no reason. Okay, I didn't spend 4 years to work corporate for anyone else. I spent 4 years to give and help other people with the information that I obtained. So you can become a coach for anything that you know. Like, literally any information that you know, you can become a coach for it, okay? Whether it's fitness, whether it's business, whether it's finance, whether it's social media, if you can get them a transformation from point A to point Z, become a coach. Don't be afraid. Sell your services, know your worth, and know that you are valuable. The information that you have is valuable, and there is someone out there that will pay you to learn what you know. You heard it here first. Don't play about yourself in 2025. You have the skills, you have the knowledge. Even if you have never put someone else through a transformation, if you have put yourself through a transformation. So this goes into like fitness. If you were able to lose 30 pounds in 30 or 45 days, that is a transformation that I'm sure if you gave someone else the recipe to do what you did, you can help them get the same transformation and results. So become a coach or a consultant, even if you're someone that likes to talk to people. Business consulting, relationship consulting. Come on, y'all. It is ideas for days. Just get started. Quit playing. Like, do it. There's nothing to it. Now, this next one is print on demand or drop shipping. Now, these kind of coincide because with print on demand and drop shipping, you don't hold any inventory. None at all. Same thing like digital products. But with print on demand, you are actually shipping physical products to people. But with drop shipping, you are in a sense a middleman. So you have the webpage, people purchase from you, you send the order, but like your account, like your website will send the order to the supplier. The supplier will then ship the product from their warehouse to your customer. That is drop shipping. Now with print on demand, this can be just like drop shipping, but there's no middleman. You are creating things like mugs, t-shirts, sweatshirts, hats, phone cases, anything. You put your slogans and designs on these products, and you can utilize platforms like Printify and Shopify to then sell your product. So once again, you would host your website on Shopify. Once the order comes in, Printify is then the business that prints out your designs onto your product and ships it to your customer. So once again, you don't have to have any inventory unless you just want to order some for yourself to sell at like, pop-up shops or things like that. But once again, no inventory, low startup costs, no reason why you should not have a business in 2025. Now, the next one is affiliate marketing. Now, I also do affiliate marketing, and this is something as simple as just referring products that you love to your audience or to other people in exchange for a commission once they purchase. So for instance, the Amazon Influencer Program is a program that I am a part of where I have created a storefront. I share my recommendations with other people, and then they purchase and I get commission for that sale. Same thing, you can even do this for services such as loans or credit cards when people sign up. But essentially, affiliate marketing is such a lucrative business once you get started with it. Now, if you're looking for something that is instant gratification, this is not the business for you. Really, any of these are not instant gratification. Like, don't expect to make $10,000 your first month. But if you stay consistent and you put the things in place so that you can start seeing results from these businesses, and you'll be able to see how lucrative they are. Affiliate marketing is super fun. It's super easy because, like I said, you're just recommending things that you either like to do or that you love to use, and you're getting commission just for sharing your recommendations, sharing your favorite things. How fun is that? So if you want to sign up for any of these programs, I do have those links in the description, but get started with it. Now, you can also do local services. You don't have to have a business. You don't have to put your face on something. But if you want to become a tutor, if you want to start a cleaning business, if you are good at decorating and you want to become an event planner, do it. There is no reason you should have these gifts and not be utilizing them to be able to generate some sort of income, whether it's full-time or part-time. Now, content creation. Nowadays, people try to say, oh, everyone wants to become a content creator. Everyone wants to become a YouTuber. But you guys know why? Like, there is literally money being thrown at content creators every single day. Now, even more so, you don't have to be a big content creator to make money from this. You can make money being a smaller creator with UGC content creation. You also can make money with brand deals and sponsorships and things like that. Just because you have a small following, if your channel gives value, if you know how to build community and you retain an audience, you can make money from this. And also, it doesn't always have to be full time. You can start things on the side to have extra income to do other things that you want to do, like go on trips or go shopping. Like, your girl loves to shop. I'm going to shop till I drop. Do you hear me? But because I started content creation, this jacket that I have on, free 99, because I started content creation and I put myself out there. So put yourself out there. You can get your whole wardrobe for free. You maybe can even get, I was about to be dramatic, but you can get a lot of things for free and you can get paid to promote them. So don't sleep on content creation. That's on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, X. Find your platform and get started on it. Today, tonight, after you watch this video, go make your profile. And if you already have a profile, make it unprivate and post on it. And if it's not private, start posting. Put a profile picture on there, make you a cute little bio, and go on about your merry way. Make that content. It doesn't matter. Don't worry about people looking at you. Don't worry about people in high school finding your content. And I'm saying this because that used to be me in the past. I used to be so afraid of people finding my content. Forget those folks. Forget them. They're not paying you. They're not paying you. Do something that's going to pay you for being you. Now, the next one is subscription boxes or digital memberships. The one that I'm most familiar with is digital memberships. Once you have built a community, you almost can always be able to monetize whatever you're doing. So you can sell memberships of, once again, something you learned or something that you know. That goes into business coaching and business consulting. You can have one tier of like high ticket business coaching and business consulting, and then a lower tier of a membership service where it can kind of flow into your coaching. Y'all, don't get me out here telling y'all, I'm telling y'all to see, quit playing with me, quit playing with me. So yeah, subscription boxes or membership. So if you have physical businesses, you sell lip gloss, you sell lashes, you sell clothes, a subscription box. How genius is it? People can subscribe every month to get so many of your products. You guys heard of Ipsy, right? The Ipsy makeup boxes? Like, that's genius. Do it. If you need help, we have YouTube. Or if you need help with the digital side, I got you. Look in the description. Now, these were the 7 business ideas that I have for you today that you can start in 2025. There is no reason to be broke. We're not listening to Lotto when she was saying brokey. No ma'am. We are not speaking that into our lives. We are not being lazy. After you watch this video, get up. Start writing some things down on a piece of paper. What business idea did I just say to you that you think that you can get started with? And do the research to get started with it. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to comment, to like and subscribe. What idea stood out to you? Let's talk about it in the comments. Put in the comments which one you've either tried to do or which one you're currently doing. Maybe we can share tips with one another. Maybe we can give each other encouragement to get started, because I mean, all you gotta do is get started. The rest will follow. But let's just help each other out. So you guys, don't forget to share this video with a friend, and I will see y'all in the next video, y'all. But start these businesses. Stop sleeping on yourself. Now get up and go.